Yo, what's up everybody? It's TechNexus back again with another video, and today we're diving deep into the world of iPhone. But not just any iPhone stuff. We're talking about the hidden features, the secret sauce, the stuff Apple doesn't just come out and tell you about. We're talking about 15 insane iPhone hacks that are gonna completely change how you use your phone. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get right into it. Alright, first up is a feature so slick, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It's called Back Tap, and it lets you control your phone by tapping the back of it. Just head into your settings, go to accessibility, then touch, and boom, Back Tap. You can set it up so a double tap or a triple tap triggers all kinds of actions. Take a screenshot, launch the camera, even control your smart home devices. Imagine taking a screenshot without touching the screen or launching your favorite app with a quick double tap. And the best part is, Apple gives you a ton of customization options. You can choose from different actions, or even create your own custom shortcuts. So go ahead, get creative and make your iPhone truly your own. Okay, let's talk about typing on the iPhone. The iPhone keyboard has a secret weapon, a hidden trackpad. Hold down the spacebar for just a second, and watch the keyboard transform into a super precise trackpad. Now you can move that cursor around with pinpoint accuracy. No more frustrating tapping and guessing. This is one of those features that once you discover it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. It works on any text field, whether you're writing an email, editing a document, or crafting the perfect social media post. We've all been there. You've got friends over, they want the Wi-Fi password, but you're stuck trying to remember that string of random characters you set up months ago. If your friend also has an iPhone, just bring your devices close together while they're on the Wi-Fi screen. You'll get a pop-up asking if you want to share the password, and boom, they're connected. No more fumbling with long passwords or trying to decipher a jumble of letters and numbers. Now, let's talk about the iPhone's camera for a second. Instead of using those clunky zoom buttons, try this swipe left on the zoom wheel while you're recording. You'll get this ultra-smooth zoom effect that looks way more professional. Seriously, it's like having a secret weapon in your pocket. Your videos will look so much more cinematic and polished. Just a simple swipe, and you're good to go. So ditch those jarring zoom transitions and embrace the power of the smooth zoom. Okay, this next one is super useful for those times when you need to read tiny text or see small details. Believe it or not, your iPhone has a built-in magnifying glass. Just head over to accessibility settings, tap on magnifier, and you're good to go. Now you can use your iPhone's camera to zoom in on anything. Let's be real. Battery life is everything these days. Apple's got your back with a sneaky feature called optimized battery charging. This little gem learns your charging routine and prevents your iPhone from overcharging, which can actually degrade the battery over time. To activate this magic, just go to battery health and charging in your settings and make sure optimized battery charging is toggled on. How many times have you needed to scan a document but didn't have a scanner handy? We've all been there. But guess what? You don't need a separate scanner app because your iPhone already has one built in. To unleash its power, just open up the Notes app, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. Snap a picture of your document and the iPhone will automatically crop it, adjust the perspective, and create a clean, scan-like image. We're all guilty of trying to use our phones with one hand, even when we probably shouldn't. If you're going to be a one-handed texting warrior, at least make it easier on yourself with the iPhone's secret one-handed keyboard mode. Just hold down the globe or emoji key, and you can shift the keyboard to the left or right side of the screen. No more awkward finger stretches or accidental typos. You know that control center that you swipe down from the top right corner of your screen? Yeah, that thing is way more powerful than you might think. Head into your settings, go to Control Center, and prepare to be amazed. You can customize it with all sorts of useful tools like screen recording, quick notes, low power mode, and even a hearing aid shortcut. It's like having a secret toolbox of iPhone features right at your fingertips. Let's be real, we've all got those apps that we don't really use but can't bring ourselves to delete. Instead of letting those unused apps clutter up your home screen, why not make them disappear? Just long press on an app icon, tap on Remove App, and then select Remove from home screen. the app will vanish from your home screen but will still be safely tucked away in your app library. Did you know your iPhone has a built-in white noise machine? That's right, you can transform your phone into a pocket-sized Zen master with just a few taps. Just go to Accessibility Settings, tap on Audio Visual, and then select Background Sounds. You'll find a selection of soothing sounds like ocean waves, rain, and white noise. No more need for bulky white noise machines or expensive meditation apps. Ever fallen asleep listening to music or a podcast only to wake up in the middle of the night to the sound of your own voice? Yeah, it's not a good look. The iPhone has a secret weapon against accidental all-night listening sessions, the hidden music timer. Just open up the Clock app, go to the Timer tab, and set your desired sleep timer duration. Then, under the When Timer Ends option, select Stop Playing. Every iPhone has a secret language, a series of codes that unlock hidden information and features. For example, if you ever need to find your iPhone's IMEI number, just dial *#06# and it'll pop right up. Or, if you want to hide your caller ID from someone, just dial *#31# before their number. These codes are like little Easter eggs hidden within iOS, and knowing them can make you feel like a tech wizard. The Notes app is great for jotting down ideas, making lists, and storing all sorts of random information. But what if you have sensitive information in your notes that you don't want prying eyes to see? You can actually password protect individual notes. Just swipe left on a note, tap the lock icon, and then set up either a password or use Face ID to secure it. This last one is a game changer for anyone who's struggled with Face ID while wearing a mask. Apple introduced a feature that lets you use Face ID even while wearing a mask. Just go to Face ID and passcode in your settings and turn on Use Face ID with a mask. Your iPhone will then scan your face, paying extra attention to the unique features around your eyes. So there you have it, 15 secret iPhone features that Apple doesn't always shout about. Hopefully you learned a few new tricks that'll make your iPhone experience even better. Which feature was your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, while you're at it, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future iPhone tips and tricks. Until next time, stay techie, my friends.